See how it goes. I'm just gonna keep my hand up here. Oh, we got a frozen spot. See, it does that sometimes inside. When it senses things nearby, it'll just freeze up. It's making some adjustments in the air. You won't be able to see the FPV version because my memory card's full. But right here, it kind of stalls a little bit. And when it crosses through doorways, it does stall a little bit. Anytime it senses something, it breaks. So, not the drone, it actually breaks the speed. So I'm just gonna do a couple loops around here. Nothing crazy. But as you can see, my hand movement is very subtle. Right there, it sensed the wall and it broke. So it is what it is, but very proud of all this, as you can tell. It's pretty good at sensing though. And like I said, my memory card's full, so you won't be able to see all the braking. But in the video, you should be able to see that it just completely stops moving as I'm pressing the trigger forward. Little jitters before it goes through. And right here, it's fully stopped. I don't know. It won't move forward. See if I can head outside. Nope, it won't let me go through. Oh, yes it does. Let's see what's up outside. There's the house. I'm just sitting in the kitchen. So as you can see, I'm outside, but it's still sensing stuff. And it's just not letting me push that full throttle. But oh well. Let's go back inside. Let's see what's up. Uh-oh, we're at a doorway. And here we are. We're back inside. Very cool. Oh, it's braked. So, looks like we should land it. Yep, just no movement hardly. There it goes. It's pretty good at sensing stuff around it. I'm just gonna go ahead and land it. But it's pretty good at sensing stuff around it. And when I went outside, it was still sensing stuff, and I wasn't even really close to anything. So there's that, the RC Motion Controller 3, DJI Neo 2, Goggles N3. Peace.